Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can bookmark posts on X and how you can unbookmark them. So you can just hover your mouse here and select the bookmark symbol here, or you can select the post and do that. And once you're done, you want to be able to find where it is. So go to bookmarks and you'll be able to find where your saved post is. But to remove it from the bookmarks tab, you're just going to select the remove from bookmarks again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!